Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to set up custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the arrow icon here, then tap on the settings icon, like gear icon to access settings. Go to the watermark section and enable custom watermark here. So here you can add your custom text, like anything you want, could be your name, your surname, your nickname, anything like you want. So I'm just gonna enter my favorite channel on the whole YouTube. And now let's try it out. And here we have our custom watermark that looks just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.